If you've ever wondered whether Affinity Designer or Adobe Illustrator is the better choice in 2025, then this video is for you, because today we're breaking down everything that actually matters for real-world designers. Starting with usability, Illustrator is packed with decades of features, plugins, and industry-standard tools, but that also means it can feel heavy and overwhelming, especially for beginners. While Affinity Designer delivers a cleaner, faster, and much more responsive interface that feels modern and instantly comfortable even if you've never used a design tool before. Now let's talk performance. Illustrator still struggles with lag when dealing with huge files and multiple artboards, whereas Affinity's engine is ridiculously fast, offering real-time zooming, instant rendering, and buttery smooth editing even on mid-range laptops. When it comes to pricing, Illustrator is subscription-based, meaning you're paying every single month whether you use it or not, while Affinity Designer is a one-time purchase, no subscription, no renewal, which makes it extremely attractive for freelancers, students, and anyone starting a design business on a budget. In terms of features, Illustrator definitely wins in advanced vector workflows like mesh gradients, 3D effects, and deep plugin support. But Affinity fights back with its powerful personas, non-destructive editing, and the ability to switch between vector and raster instantly inside the same document, something Illustrator still can't match. Exporting is another big difference. Illustrator gives you more compatibility for big commercial print houses, but Affinity Designer exports faster and with simpler settings that don't require digging through endless menus. For collaboration, Illustrator integrates directly with Adobe's cloud ecosystem, which is great for big teams, but Affinity Designer keeps things lightweight with quick file handling and smaller, cleaner project files. So what should you choose? If you're working in professional studios, agencies, or with clients who demand Adobe files, then Illustrator is still the safe bet. But if you're a freelancer, content creator, logo designer, or someone who wants speed, simplicity, and zero monthly payments, Affinity Designer gives you more value, more performance, and a smoother overall experience. In the end, both tools are powerful in their own way, but the real question is whether you want the traditional industry standard or the modern, faster, wallet-friendly alternative. And that choice depends entirely on your workflow, your budget, and the kind of projects you work on every day. Allah Hafiz.